Hi guys, welcome to the next tutorial series, and today we're going to talk about how we can create descriptive statistics using data analysis tools. So this idea right here is, for example, you have a set of data and you want to find out what is the average, what is the standard deviation, what is the mode, etc. So there is this tool using this data analysis to find out all this information without you trying to input all these formulas one by one like that. Before I talk about these data analysis tools, I would just like to mention that all these data that I took it from Kaggle right here, and I took the top 10 data from all these 33 data sets in here. So you can actually get all these data in Kaggle. So that's one place you can find out and test out this descriptive summary. So let's go back here, and now let's talk about how we can create this descriptive statistic tool. Click on data analysis right here, and select descriptive statistics. Click OK and input your range from here. So if let's say you want to include your labels, make sure you check your labels in first row and you just simply select your data like that. There's two ways you want to do it in terms of output. So if let's say you want to put in the same sheet, you can just put in the same output range, or you can create a new worksheet by simply just put it blank and click OK, and you will have your descriptive summary right here. And if you just input it in the range here itself, you will have this data like this. And if you're not sure what does all these data mean, such as standard error, standard deviation, etc., just pause the video right here and see what all this really means. And if you have any questions, please feel free to just drop a comment below. That's all for this series. I hope you learned something, and I see you in the next one.